Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you a native of Oregon and love animals or birds and currently looking for Oregon Guide or Field Guide for birds? If you currently live in Oregon and looking for a bird identification guide, then the Birds Oregon Field Guide will be the perfect partner for you. This field guide is prepared by Stan Tequiela. Now you can learn and identify birds easily by using this field guide. This item offers full-page color photos which are incomparable and include insets of winter plumage, color morphs, and more. You and your kids will surely love reading and browsing every page of this field guide. This is ideal for bird lovers, kids, adults, library, or for collection. But the awesome features don't end there. This item offers an easy-to-use format. You don't need to know a bird's name or classification in order to easily find it in this field guide. This item is a real pleasure to read and is a great way for anyone to learn about the birds in the state of Oregon. You can have the Birds Oregon Field Guide today at a very affordable price and see to it that you can broaden your knowledge about the birds in Oregon. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.